Hey guys, welcome back. And in this video, we take a look on how you be able to install the Screenpal screen recorder on your laptop or PC. So in order to download and install the screen recorder, we have to just open our browser. I open my Chrome browser here. So in the search bar, you have to just type this Screenpal screen recorder, and after that, just press the enter button. Once you press the enter button, the first website of Screenpal will appear. uh, okay, and here you have to just click on this free screen recorder. Once you click on it, it will take you to the free Screenfallers official website. Okay, and here you have to just click on this launch free recorder. Once you click on it, it will take a few loading, and your downloading will either start automatically, or it is asking you where you want to install the screen recorder. Right now it is asking me where you want to download the screen recorder. I select my download directory and click on save. Once you click on it, here you see our screen power setup is done because it is 421 KB setup. So now go to this, click on this folder icon and go to the directory where we install this setup. Okay, download the setup. Sorry, not install. Once you do that, here you see now our setup is downloading. Okay, just wait for it, and after that we install. Maybe in your case it will take a time because it will depend on the how fast your internet connection is. And now our skin poll is starting and it is almost done. Okay, just wait for it. It is updating, or either you have just click on that one. Okay, but right, we have to wait for it. And now you see our setup is here. Okay, screen. And here above we have an annotation. If you want like that, here you see we have an annotation. Okay, and other things. Okay, just click on this full screen, and right now it is capturing the full screen. And maximum limit you have in the free trial 15 minute. And if you want to above, just go with the, you have to purchase it, upgrade your plan. Okay, and here in the, you see also select the full screen or 72-bit the setting. And once you click on this record button, and it will start recording. Okay, okay, just click on stop recording, and now our recording is done. Just wait. Here you see, once you click on it, it is a 20 MB recording, and just click on the done button. And to save or upload, where you want to upload is just click on this. And now our recording is done. Here you edit it and save it. So hope so you guys like this video. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe this.